Good morning, good morning, good morning. Welcome to another live trading session. We are December 9, Thursday. This is going to be another live session, Franglish. So I'll be bouncing from French to English to answer the most question as possible. Oh my God. I do apologize about that. All right. So hopefully I'm not muted. No, everything should be good. All right, excellent. So basically, I was saying Franglish live session. We'll be bouncing from French to English. Sorry. Try to answer the most question as possible. If you want me to look at a different pair, don't forget to send a chart. If you're new on the channel, welcome. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel, activate notifications so you'll know next time I go live. And also, don't forget to smash the like button as you come in. That'll be really appreciated. Donc, bonjour et bienvenue à tous. Une autre session de trading en direct. Donc, qui sera en franglais. On va passer du français à l'anglais pour essayer de répondre au plus de questions possibles. Si vous voulez qu'on regarde une paire différente de ce qu'on regarde, n'oubliez pas d'envoyer votre chart. Si vous êtes nouveau ici, on vous souhaite la bienvenue. N'oubliez pas de vous inscrire sur la chaîne, d'activer les notifications et surtout, n'oubliez pas de cliquer sur j'aime. Ça va vraiment nous aider. All right, so let's get started. Let's go see if we have any early comments or questions. Oh, Hugo Labrec, first like. Oh, la machine, la machine. We got George. Hello, George. In gold sale. Oh, already? Damn. All right. Let's go check it out. So let's start with as you see, this is GA, sorry. What's going on here? All right, let's start with GJ. So GJ, let's delete all this. This was the setup from yesterday. Let's delete all this. What's going on here? There we go. Perfect. Okay. All right, let's start with the weekly. We are Thursday, so only 2 days left into this weekly candle. It looked like we went up, created top wick, and now it looks like we're ready to come and break that weekly support that's right here. Let's delete this. So, and there was no bottom wick yet, so this is something we discussed yesterday with students, because I wouldn't be surprised for this candle to retrace all the way down, because if you look at weekly candles, I mean, just look at this screen right now and try to spot one weekly candle without a top or bottom wick. You're probably going to find one or two, and that's about it, right? There's one right here, and so the odds are very small for price not coming back down. All right, let's take a look at the daily here. So daily, we did close bearish yesterday, and so far we went up today, and now we're coming down. If we do break the low here and break the support, we are in for a nice little sell here on GJ. As if we close under 149 major QP, we're gonna have a nice little drop. We got this daily wick fill, so yeah, it should be pretty nice. 4-hour time frame. We've been just like playing back and forth here. But let's establish our zone. So we got this zone right here. Let's change this color. Oh, hold on. Let me do Jeezy. What the hell? Oh, zone. Give me one sec, guys. Sorry about that. All right. All right, so let's continue. Let's establish our zone. Okay, so this is the support here. We got this zone right here. And that's about it. That's about it. All right, so let me do this in French very quickly because I completely forgot. Donc, si on regarde sur le chart de la semaine, donc on a le prix qui est monté vers le haut, créé la mèche du haut. C'est quelque chose qu'on avait discuté avec les étudiants hier, comme quoi il y avait des grosses chances qu'on redescende vers le bas, créer la mèche. Donc, si on brise le bas ici sur la journalière, on va avoir une belle, belle descente sur le chart de la semaine. Donc, maintenant, si on regarde sur le chart journalier, on a fermé à la baisse hier et aujourd'hui, jusqu'à maintenant, on a monté en haut, créé la mèche du haut et là, maintenant, on est en train d'aller vers le bas. Si on brise le support ici, on devrait avoir une belle vente sur GG. Si on regarde sur le 4 heures, on va établir nos zones. And so far, look like we had a little fake out here on the breakout of this structure and we came straight back down. So, on dirait vraiment qu'on a eu un genre de fake out ici vers le haut et on a redescendu vers le bas. So, when I saw that yesterday, I was like, okay, we might be breaking the structure and going up, but nope, we're coming back down. All right, let's take a look on the lower time frame. So let's adjust this right here. This makes sense. So this was a solid range here on H1. So price was just playing, back and forth here. We had one fake out to the upside. We came down, came here. One fake out to the upside, coming down, and now looks like we're breaking finally. Okay. So let's look at this here. We got this zone right here. Perfect. Okay, so that's pretty nice. All right, so here on GJ, I want to see something here, break and retest under this zone, or oops, sorry guys. Or now we're creating a new low, so I want price to come back up, create resistance to continue down. So one or the other, that's something would be keeping an eye on. Actually, let me place an alert here. And yeah, that's about it. So we got a break, retest, and now we're coming down. So pretty nice, pretty nice. Okay, so I got my idea here for GJ. Donc, présentement, ce que j'attendrais sur le chart de 1 heure, c'est un bris et un test à nouveau en dessous de cette zone ou que le prix rejette cet endroit-là, va vers le haut, former une résistance pour continuer vers le bas. Donc, ce serait une des deux possibilités. Now, if you look at gold, gold sell. Oh, okay. So this was something I was trying yesterday during Forex Talk Over Beer. This is the first time ever we had. I think George was there. We had a nice setup here. To be honest, on gold, and I was like, hey, you know what? Let's try it. It was way too early. There was no volume. It was 6:30. But tried something very, very, very low risk just for the fun of it. But it didn't play out. So it was basically it was rejection of the H1 golden zone on the lower time frame. So if you look on 30-minute, we had a nice, engulfing candle. So I said, all right, so I waited for price to come down, break the high, and enter the trade. It went a couple pips in profit. And after that, went down and go up, and it took me out here. So, but that was fun. Yeah, it did hit stop loss. Unfortunately, my stop was pretty tight. It was 11 pip stop loss. So, if I would have put my stop loss, where I usually put it, meaning like under the previous 30-minute, I think it would be good here. Oh no, actually I would have been stopped out here. So yeah. It wouldn't have been working anyways. So anyways, this was just fucking around on Forex Talk Over Beer yesterday. It was just fun. So yeah, so that's it. All right, so let's remove all this. Oh, let's do this on gold. There we go. Okay. So let's take a look at gold. All right, gold's just rangy right now on the daily time frame. It's crazy. We're stuck in that range. Let's take a look at 4 hours. Um, I mean, wow, it's not super nice. We're starting to do a trend here, but let's see. This is not my most recent resistance, which is also working with this zone. So this level is really important. We had a little fake out here to the downside, and we came back straight up in that range. So this is our range. Um, yeah. Okay. So I think there's possible trade. Again, same kind of setup as yesterday, like above 1800, but gotta be very careful because this is a very strong level here. It's setting. Let's put it. This, let's lock it. Perfect. So let's keep this level in mind because this is a very important level. So I think above 1800 could be nice because we got this wick fill. We can go up to this zone. So let's establish that. Perfect. And again, above this level, it's even better. Look at this clean traffic, right? And I think under this zone right here can be also nice. Let's take a look on the lower time frame on H1. Yeah, I think under this level can be also nice. You got this little area here, but yeah, perfect. Let's put an alert over here. Let's put an alert over here. Perfect. Donc, si je regarde ici sur le chart de l'or, donc je vais regarder pour une vente en bas de ça, ici, en bas de cette zone-là. Donc, si on regarde ça, oh, here we go. Okay, that was quick. So it looks like we are breaking here. Let's look at the 30-minute. All right. So the 15-minute just closed bearish. And this is the new 15 minutes starting with massive volume here. Holy. Wow. Okay, so I want to see something on the lower time frame. I want to see a break and retest either on 5-minute, 15-minute, something like that. And yeah, we'll come back in a couple minutes on gold. Let's take a look at GA weekly. All right, so G weekly so far, I mean, it's still coming down. It looked like we're going to be closing like a nice engulfing candle. We're going to retest that low here. So yeah, looking good for G on the gold on the bearish side. Remove all this. So daily did close bearish. Oh, yeah, let me. Okay, let me do this very quickly. This was on 30-minute. Completely forgot to paste that in my journal because yes, I'm starting again to journal. So I didn't post on Instagram yesterday my trade from the day prior to that, but it is available on my Trixie. If you see, I need to label the yesterday's trade. Oh, actually, this is G. Okay, perfect. I already had it, so I need to do my labels on this one. But I did the other one, right? So All the other ones are there now for the past 3 days. That's it. Now let's remove all this. Hey guys, as you come in on YouTube, don't forget to smash the like button. If you didn't smash the like button yet, please do so. It really helped the channel. I don't ask for much. That's the only thing basically I do ask. I mean, this is free. So I mean, just a little appreciation will be very, very, very cool. All right, so perfect. Okay, let's get back to G now. All right, so daily's coming up to create the top wick right now. And if we start flipping and breaking the low here on the daily, we should have a nice sell also. So let's try to find out if we can get like some confirmation. But in the meantime, also we are still. Let's take a look at this daily time frame for 1 second. We did broke structure here on the daily, boom, boom, boom. But here we did broke structure to the downside. Okay, perfect. Okay, let's take a look at 4 hours. All right, so this was massive level. This QP, this was super important, right? We did break that level. Now look like we did break, and now look like we're coming back to retest this level. So if we do form resistance around this area, this is where I'm going to be probably taking a sell. Yeah. You see those major QP already act very, very clean. Price respect those major QP very nicely. All right. So now let's see if we can get actually, wait a second, from here to here. But that's not true. We don't have any retracement. So that's from here to here. Holy fuck. So that would, whoops. So that means it's possible for price to retrace all the way up here, before coming back down. So, because we had a pretty huge drop with no retracement. So price can retrace here to continue down. Okay. But this level here is really solid. So I wouldn't be surprised to see a nice resistance form to continue down on retest without a proper retracement up. So let's keep that in mind. But I'm still going to establish my H4 golden zone up here. There we go. Donc, ça veut dire quoi? Ça veut dire que le prix a eu une grosse descente vers le bas sans aucun retracement. Donc, il y a des grosses chances qu'on puisse retracer jusqu'en haut dans cette golden zone-là avant de continuer vers le bas. Par contre, ce niveau-là, ici, à 85 000, est très, très, très solide. Donc, ça ne me surprendrait pas de voir une résistance se former autour d'ici pour pouvoir continuer plus bas. So, let's take a look if on the lower time frame, if we have maybe a golden zone that come over here, it would make sense. Donc, voyons voir sur les time frames plus petits si on est capable de voir une golden zone sur un time frame plus bas. So look like here we had this double bottom here for reversals. We just broke the neckline, so it looked like we're good for a nice little ride up. So this happened in London session. So yeah, if I was looking at this setup right here, I would be taking a trade right here. Yeah, stop here under here. So that would be my trade. But I wasn't looking at it. So it would be like right here. So this is the more aggressive trade, and we'll be aiming for this. So that would be the most aggressive buy, because it's not confirmed yet that you're breaking the neckline. And after that, my next move would be on the break of the neckline right here. So let's take a look on 30 minutes. Yeah, probably like after this break and retest of this zone, after engulfing candle, wait for the break of the high, and boom. So you'd be in for a couple pips and stopped out after. So So yeah, that would be my idea, like for London. So now let's see what we got here. We got this. We got this minor zone here, so look like we're having a problem with this zone. I'm not gonna put it. Oh yeah, this is on H1, so okay. Zone. Let's put it here. All right, so that's good. So basically, what I want is for price to either, um, you know, come up here, form resistance to continue down, or I want price to go up to this golden zone to continue down. But it's not gonna happen like in this session probably. So I gotta be super patient. Yeah, that's about it. Let's go see if we have any questions. Donc, ce que j'attends en fait sur le GA, c'est soit un retracement vers le haut, une résistance formée pour 85 000 QP majeur pour aller vers le bas, ou de rejeter la golden zone en 4 heures, ce qui me surprendrait qu'il y ait eu dans cette session aussi. All right, let's go see any comments. We're gonna put some music, and all right, so let's see here. Also, George, gold doing great. Yeah, if you were in from the London session, you're in nice profit here. Bonjour Sacha, bonjour Albert. Bonjour Albert, quand est-ce que tu nous rejoins? Let's take a look at the Zoom chat now. Bon matin tout le monde. Good morning, Jason. Hello, everybody. Hello, Julian. Rhino, did you take any trade today? Hello, everybody. What's up, TJ? All right, so perfect. Let's go. So don't forget, if you have any chart to look at, send it. Don't forget to smash the like button on YouTube. Yeah, we should be at 30 likes by now. We should be at 30 likes by now. So Brian, get the likes up, Gulag. Let's go. Let's go. Bring it up. All right, let's put some music. Let's put some music. I need to find a playlist of non-copyright Christmas music. Oh no, not that one. That one I got in trouble with. Je pense début janvier, je serai avec le pack. Ah, super, Albert. Comment évolue ton challenge avec MF? J'ai j'ai été un petit peu fou. Il me restait pas beaucoup de temps, puis j'ai décidé d'accélérer le processus. Mais j'ai complètement oublié de regarder le daily drawdown. Tu sais, quand tu es habitué de trader ton propre capital, tu regardes pas ça. Puis j'ai eu des super beaux trades. Écoute, je m'en allais. Mon trade a closé en profit, il n'y avait aucun problème. Je tombais à genre 200. Si je ne me trompe pas, je tombais à genre 209 000 ou 210 000. Avec ce trade-là, c'était parfait. Jusqu'à temps que je reçois un courriel qui dit ah, t'as brisé le daily drawdown. J'étais comme, ben là, tu me niaises. Donc, ouais, malheureusement, j'ai pas regardé ça du tout. Puis pourtant, c'était deux très bons trades gagnants, mais ils ont été en drawdown pendant un petit bout de temps. Donc, j'ai pas pensé à regarder ça du tout. C'est mon erreur. I have a question. Is good to trade a gold at Friday? I mean, yeah, why not? You know, the only thing is, did you ever backlisted gold on a Friday? So the question will be like, yeah, it's like everything is good to trade if you did backlist it and if it works. But yeah, I mean, but you gotta understand that on Fridays, sometimes market act a little different. But lately, to be honest, I don't see anything crazy on Fridays anymore. Like, if you were to tell me the same thing, like probably like 2 years ago, I was not even trading on Fridays. You know, just like market was just so stupid. But these days, not so bad. The market is always changing, so you gotta adapt. You know, like before, the session was starting at 5:30 because we had move at 5:30. Now these days, there's no move until like at least 8:30, and most of the time 9:30, 10. You know, so le DD est vraiment compliqué avec MMF. J'ai malheureusement perdu aussi mon live account. Ouais, ben c'est c'est beaucoup de règles à regarder avec un challenge. C'est vraiment c'est spécial parce que je suis vraiment pas habitué à ça. Puis il aurait fallu que je fasse un petit peu plus attention. Uh, all right, so let's see. Let's see. Okay, perfect. So GJ 30-minute just closed. Closed bearish. Okay, but nothing we can do. Gold, okay, gold did close under our zone here. No, we are at this. We're rejecting this area now. I don't think impulse entry at this time, so I wait for 8 at least for impulse entry, so I'm gonna wait. G 30 minutes, close small bearish doji. Oh, this was your TP? Oh, this one. Okay. Brian, I did some backtesting for January just for you and I. Volume started around the 10. This is GJ. Yeah. Yeah, last year actually I was saying I remember that because I started to trade I think in the second week of January and the volume wasn't there that much. You know what? I think if I remember correctly, I said, "Oh, next year I'm gonna start trading on the third week." But of course, I'm gonna be looking at the volume. But if I don't see anything like special, I'm just gonna avoid trading. You know, because I remember January was really costly last year. Plus, during Christmas holidays, I'm gonna take some more time to finally finalize all my new content that I've been like on pause and delayed. You know, so I know there's a lot of you waiting for that. So I'm gonna focus on that. Good morning, Frank. But during the holidays, not during the holidays, but during the first week, probably gonna do a couple simulations just to get back at it. So we'll do some simulations with the team. Let's see here. I see question coming in. You back this with MT4 or Trading View? I back this with both, but mostly with the software Soft Forex, which is a simulator. Sharif, ça va bien? Oui, très très bien. Toi-même? All right, so we got a couple minutes. I just need to do something for the dogs, and I'll be right back. All right, we're back. What's up with that like button, man? Need to smash it. That's it. Okay, so what's up? Gold is rejecting here. Okay. Rejecting this 4-hour level. Okay. All right, nothing much.
Sasha, what's up, man?
Hey, what's up? What's up?
Make you a little bit louder. Here we go.
The what?
The volume,
Yeah, volume is slowly dying.
Yeah, yesterday was pretty good.
Yeah,
Today.
it came on late though.
Yeah, I got in pretty early, to be honest, yesterday. But yeah, today, I mean, nothing really.
Like all the moves happening later. So that's something I discussed about on Forex Talk over beer yesterday. That in January, what I'll do is starting in January, I'm gonna start my new routine because I realized that I'm a little bit off compare of what I'm used to do, and I realized that I don't have my routine anymore. I'm feeling lazy. Feeling like I don't train much these days. So I really need
Me, man.
the what?
I wasn't in a gym for at least 6 months, bro.
Yeah, exactly. Same thing here, and I think
I did it on a competition level. So this means something.
yeah, that's crazy. And to be honest, it does affect my sharpness on the chart. I'm telling you, it's just like this is something I just realized like a couple of days ago. I'd be like, I'm not as sharp I'm used to be on the chart. Um so what I'm gonna do, since like volume like is coming on later on, instead of starting the Zoom or the live session on YouTube at 6:30 or 7, I'm gonna go check my chart around like 6. I'm gonna take a look at it. If I don't see anything possible, right now, I'm gonna just not start anything. And I'm gonna go train, do my things, take my shower, come back, and after that, I'm gonna start the stream. So we might start later, around like 7:30, 8, whatever. But I'm gonna use that time for myself more because I'm finishing the session and it's too late. I didn't train. I didn't do anything. Um, so yeah, so it's something I want to try different because it's really affecting me.
Yeah, I can totally agree. I mean, I also had the last month pretty much going on, and sometimes I have the feeling, especially when I trade, next to work kind of stuff. You're not really sharp. You do your work, you watch the charts, and then I have several screens, but yeah, it's not the same. And other days where you say, okay, I only trade today, then it's like today, it's nothing happening. You're sitting there like an idiot. You feel, at night I feel like I've done nothing. I wasn't in the gym. I didn't yeah, whatever.
Yeah,
and only sitting here in front of my screens, and that's it. So,
and the more you're in front of the screen, the more you're tempted to do some stupid shit, right? So I'm looking back on my trades for the last couple months, and most of the time, I would say like 70-80% of the time, my losses came from early entries. And if I look after that, that same entry would be a winner. but I was just a little too early. So if I'm training at that time, I'm not going to be doing those entry. I'm going to take the real entry. So there's a lot of trades that I lost that I had to give the trade a second chance to win it. And if I remove that loss, it would be so much better, right?
Yeah, what I found out is when I sit for hours, then you just take a trade, You sit here and then you're thinking, yeah, man, this could work. Just take it, And then you take it and it's probably a loss. And afterwards you were thinking, man, why you really took it, Do you have the confirmations you normally look for? And then you come to the conclusion that it was only, because you were bored, and get lazy or get, gambling.
Exactly. Yeah, we talked about different subject yesterday. I definitely want to talk. We definitely want to watch Forex Talk over beer. But also talked about do not over manage your trade. When you're, I receive some charts sometimes and people lost or they close their trade. Oops. They close their trade at -4 pips or 3 pips. I mean, that means it's a lack of confidence in yourself. You're probably gambling, So when I see someone risking like, I don't know, 2,000 and lost like 200, I'm like, did you gamble? Did you're not 100% sure about your trade? I mean, you need to accept the risk. You place your stop loss there. This is how much you're risking, and don't choke the trade. I'm not saying don't cut the losses short, but at the same time, do not overmanage your trade. Right? Let it breathe.
Yeah, I totally agree. I would say a long time I was an expert in this, choking trades.
Yeah.
Because you cut too early, and then it's going down. And the only thing what happens is because your lot size is so small at this point, you will just go break even with the win or a little bit above, and then you are like, yeah, man, thanks for nothing.
Yeah, no, exactly. -3 pips and you close your trade. I was like, geez,
Yeah, with the things I try right now, this is sometimes my whole stop loss, to be honest. But yeah, I know what you mean. The candle flips, you close 50%, and then it flips back, breaks the low, and that's it.
Yeah, so
fuck the position. But what you do then is you enter the 50% you close, you enter when it breaks the low again, and then you get fucked.
Yeah,
because
exactly.
You close the whole trade, and the additional 0.5 you closed earlier in the loss, and you add it back, and now you are even in 1.5% loss.
Exactly. If it depends. If the price went your way like 10, 12 pips and now it started to flip against you, that's a different story. But, if you enter the trade and, just like price playing back and forth, and you decide to close in a rush -3 pips, 4 pips, I'm like, what the fuck? Did you gamble? Did you gamble? Like, did you flip a coin and say, okay, we're selling or buying? Did you put a buy stop, sell stop? What the fuck?
Yeah, I don't think so that most people are doing like this, but I think like you said, I mean, there's a slightly difference between managing a trade and over managing a trade. And I think many traders are just, in fear of the markets,
Yeah.
But in this case, maybe the position is too big.
Yeah, you're right. Exactly. So reduce the risk. Yeah, you're absolutely right on that. Absolutely right, if you're not comfortable with your stop loss and you're getting stressed saying you're trading -3 pips, dude, reduce your risk.
Yeah, but I think the problem comes in with you want to achieve a proper, profit target, percentages, money amount, whatever. And then you're like, okay, when I take this trade, it's probably 1 hour, 2 hour, whatever. You double what you take in. But on the other hand side, you don't want to get the full loss. So
exactly.
50%. But most of the times, I mean, you will, lose the trade. So what did you lose? You lost 0.75, for example. So it's not that big difference.
Exactly. That one GA trade killed those two losses. You know.
Yeah, but to be honest, I really, when I see your trades, and I watch it before, this loss, that loss, and then you get the big win. To be honest, you also have to be able to enter this, because I probably wouldn't. I tell you, man, with with the same risk, but not with high risk, or because what I found out is that when I took one or two losses in a row, the third or fourth probably is also a loss. So
Yeah. No, you're right. Yeah.
And also I had days, man, where yesterday I had a conversation. I don't know if it was in private or in group, and I was saying, yeah, you can fuck it up on the last day. No matter if you're doing a challenge or money, it's like this.
Absolutely. Yep. Okay, guys, you're slacking off on the likes on YouTube, man. Man, I was about to do giveaways, but I guess you guys don't really want it.
How many likes are there?
There's 17 likes. What's up with that, man? Just like
Man, 15 are from me.
love it. On GJ, are you waiting for a retest? Yes. I want to see a break and retest under this zone. There we go. Oh, we should be at 40 likes. We should be at 40 likes. Let's keep bringing the likes up. I know it sound annoying for you guys, me asking for that, but it do really help. Like the YouTube algorithm works with that. So if you want to support the channel and help, I don't ask for much. That's the only thing. And if you don't like what you see, why are you still here? I was just saying. All right, so gold here. All right, coming down. We got breaking. Now we got a break. We got a retest on 15-minute. If this 15-minute candle close engulfing under this zone, it would be amazing. I can be entering this gold trade eventually. Let's play some alert here. Dun, 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 dun. Dun, dun, dun.
What helps me on being sharp is that I want to have very clear knowledge about what I do, and for that the simulation helps a lot. So
Yeah.
I have a very clear trade idea set up with rules, when and what to do. And then it's just like an EA trading, like robots. When I see something, I got to do something on it.
Exactly.
That helps me a lot.
You can act with no emotion, right?
Yeah, because I know I got a certain success rate on that setup.
That's good.
And, what's really hard for me, if I have like 3 or 4 trade ideas, but I don't know what the value of those are. how strong are they, what is the success rate, etc., that kind of stuff. Then I start hesitating and letting a trade run or forgetting to act on it.
Exactly. That's good. Yeah, backtesting is so key.
Yeah, for me it is.
So we got 4 minutes. I mean, 3 minutes left. Um, Hey Sasha, what are your thoughts on order blocks? For example, trade setup and entry based of price action, but using order blocks for TPs and rejection zone. Um, I don't know anything about order blocks. I think it's just a fancy name to call it something else. But yeah, I think you can find those things. I don't know who decided it was called order blocks, but I guess you can call it whatever you want. You can use QPs as the same freaking shit, you know. Because I mean, if you look at those QPs, you know. Oh, look, you know, is that your order block? Is that your order block? You know, so yeah, I don't know. I don't know anything about order blocks. The only block I know is the Lego block.
I think also for water blocks now there are several definitions. Like you call your QPs, I call it P levels.
Yeah, exactly. You know.
It's like when you give, a dog a name. I mean, it's a dog, but you can call it different.
Exactly.
And I think what is more important is to know what happens when we reach these areas, even if you call it Frank,
Yeah.
Instead of Frank, call it Frank or Thomas or whatever,
Yeah.
Most important is to know what you do when it happens.
The problem is there's some people like promoting those things, just like there was a secret sauce, just like, oh man, let me explain you the order block, it's just like, oh, come on. That's cute.
To be honest, I trade order blocks,
Yeah. I know, but just like the reason why I'm saying that is just because I'm pointing at, some people that I know that they've been promoting this thing like it was like the magical thing out there. So that's why I'm making fun of it, because I know it do work, but it's just like there's no secret sauce in it, just like that's why I'm just trying to,
I mean, it's a chart formation, in this case. It's the only thing.
Yeah, exactly.
Candles, pin bars, or inverted hammers, or whatever. I mean, it's only a name for a pattern on the chart.
Was just curious. Yeah, that's fine, man. That's fine. No problem. Raja Saad, is there beef between you and Raj Banks? No, not that I know of. Well, except for the fact that there's no beef, but he did kick me out of the Slack group, and I sent him a message and no reply since then. So I have no clue what happened, to be honest. But seems like since I started my course, we've always been in contact, but it's actually no, it's not true. This is not, because since I started my course, yes, we did communicate and everything was fine actually, not so bad. But since he moved to Pakistan, since then radio silence. So I don't know what happened. So I have actually no clue. Send him a message that, hey man, I don't have access to Slack anymore. I don't know what happened. And he saw the message and no reply. So, oh well, it is what it is. So I guess the lifetime access wasn't real. I don't get it. That's the only thing I don't get is like why, you know. But whatever, I don't really care, to be honest. It's just sad because I had some people in there that were contacting me regularly, for questions and this and that. And there are some people who doesn't have Instagram on there because they're not allowed in their country. So they were the only way of communicating with me, and sad for them. Yeah, I agree. He's weird since he moved to Pakistan. Yeah, whatever, you know. All right, so gold. Let's go. Oh fuck! My alert didn't go on. Did it go on? God damn it!
Yes, it did.
It did. That was the gold alert. Fuck. Okay, so let's take a look at this. Okay, this 30-minute candle is breaking the low. Open calc. Oh wow! Thank God.
Yeah, wait, bro.
I'm placing my lines right now to entering. And I see the price retrace. I'm like, whoa. Yeah, no, I'm gonna wait for that close. Holy fuck! What the hell just happened there? Jesus. Wait. Tu achava que era o bio? Ah, je sais, c'est un casque. J'ai pas mon balance. Je vais aller vérifier. Ok, mais juste pour ça. Mais j'ai fait partout, il arrive. Ah, ok, non, celui-là, il n'est pas dans la balance. C'est comment tu veux faire ça? C'est comment tu veux faire ça? Parce que je l'ai fait, il est ramené, c'est genre rien. Je sais pas comment c'est comme ça. All right, so gold part 2. So if we're coming down and breaking the low again, or I'm gonna wait for the 15-minute to close under the zone. Let's go check comments here. Experiment gold buys 1775.75 versus 77 pips. Reward 337 pips. Holy. Yeah, Joe. Yeah, that's I don't know. Gold, man. I don't know, man. Wishing you the best for that. But that's a trade that you're planning on how many days? Sasha, just don't care anymore. Do your thing. Oh yeah, no, I don't. To be honest, I don't care. Just like at first I was like, why, But now I just like I don't give a fuck. I don't give a fuck. I'm actually just skipping most of the story. As soon as I hear Hamdallah, Pakistan, I skip those story because I'm not following him for that. I'm following him for Forex advice, Forex tips. But now most of the time it's just about like religion and trying to sell the country. I don't know if he gets some bonuses if anyone moves to Pakistan, or I don't know what's going on there, but this is not the reason why I'm following him. So that's why I skipped those stories. So since a couple of times I don't see a lot of things because I skip those. When I see something that I've been following him for a while for the reason I've been following him, now I'm listening and watching because I still appreciate the guy, and he showed me a lot, and that's it. So I just took this entry now on gold. um this 4 hour level is going to be hard to break, so that's why I took only a 1% risk here, because it's going to be a heavy one to break. Once we're under here, I'm going to add some position. Joe exit 39 pips profit. Oh, so much for that 337 pips, I guess. Oh, you were talking about probably 33 pips, not 337. It's written, it's 337 points, but it's basically 33 pips. That's probably what you mean. Eating GGSL, yes. Aizen Chibo, ok. Salut Sacha, j'espère que ça va bien. En plus de ça, le gars est un peu complotiste et pas très aimable. Non, effectivement, il est très complotiste, donc je regarde aucune de ces stories-là à ce sujet-là. Yep. All right, guys, don't forget to smash the like button as you come in. We should be at 40 likes, man. Let's go. Let's get the likes up now. All right, so looks like gold's gonna start moving. Let's go, baby. Let's go. Oh, let's go. Let's go. All right, 8 pips now. There's volume there for sure. Probably gonna secure some profits with this wick fill right here. So let's take a look at GJ. H1 did close bearish, small doji. Definitely want to see something under here. What about GA? Wow, G closed doji. All right, so 30 likes. Let's go. We're getting close to 40. If you answer my question, I will press the like button. But you need to ask a question for that. Oh, I missed one. Man, I'm such a bad guy, man. I missed one question out of 40. God damn it. I do suck at this thing. What is your base chart? And what is your entry chart? What is your base chart? Or do you trade only one time frame? No, it's just you got to put all the time frame in Confluence, right? I mostly base my bias based on daily and H4, and I'm going to be looking at entries on 30 minutes and 1 hour most of the time, except for gold. Gold, I go on a lower time frame. Sometimes I go on 15 and in 5 minutes sometimes for entries, because gold has so much volatility. Come on, guys, smash the like button. This is Mark the Stash. Hey, what's up, the Stash, man? Thank you for your reply. Welcome, man. So just waiting on GJ to do something. Need to break under this area.
Morning, Josh.
Hey, what's up, Mr. Miller? So, YouTube, let me present to you, Mr. Miller.
You knows me.
I know.
Yeah, I'm looking. I was looking at GG2 and yeah, same thing, my friend.
Nice.
GG moved overnight.
Someone asked for my TP on GA. I don't have it set up yet on GA, so I cannot establish my TP.
There's no trade.
There's no trade yet on GA, so.
Wait, is big CPI data tomorrow?
Yeah, tomorrow, yeah.
Did you see the survey? 6.8%, man.
Oh, I didn't look.
6.8%.
That's no good.
That's ridiculous. That's for year over year, of course.
Okay.
Monthly, I'm not sure. Let me just check on Bloomberg. Yeah, year over year 6.8, monthly without food and energy 0.5%.
Wow.
Still low. 0.5%, man. Monthly. She take what I need, and I believe.
Malade.
Qu'est-ce pas moi le malade, c'est toi. T'as même pas entendu un close. Oh, you're on gold. C'est un malade, ce gars-là.
Ouais, malade en Chris. Direct sur un support H4. Est-ce qu'on n'a pas peur de ça, nous autres? Come on, kiss ça dans les dents. Oh, et là, elle va me le prendre au complet, je pense. D'après moi, à part avec les meubles et le char, là. Ben non, j'ai 0,5% plus. Encore 10. Let's see.
Yo, la stache.
Stash, il était sur YouTube il y a 2 minutes.
Ok, bon, ça, l'exemple. T'as-tu vu, c'était qui le premier sur YouTube?
Ben ouais, t'es fort, man.
Je suis sur mon ordi, je vois juste, j'ai reçu une notification. Je vois qu'il n'y a personne, je suis en first here. Des fois, mes affaires. First, that's it. C'est legit, ça.
Yeah, this is no good right now on gold. No good.
No. Buy gold 50 lot.
Yeah, I would be. Yeah. This is no good. Need to stay under the zone. Yeah, it was super risky. Super risky to take that trade like on this H4 support, but at a smaller time frame, break and retest, I was like, maybe it's just gonna drop. Mr. The Stash.
What's up? J'ai entendu Hugo chanter, je me suis dit, il n'est pas de me pointer.
That's it. The pack is here.
Hey, salut, Marc. Salut, Marc. Salut.
Fait comme les étudiants à l'école. Bonjour Marc-André. Marc-André, qu'est-ce que je dis là? Marc-Antoine, même calice.
Marc-André.
Marc-André.
Point. Mark and Twain.
Ouais.
Marc-Anthony.
Okay, Gold. Okay, Gold. I just got out. I mean, I got taken out. I mean. All right, so fwah. All right, minus 0.5%.
Not bad. Not bad.
Yeah, it was risky, but the reward would be nice. So
Yeah, for sure. Well, what am I to keep? Lane? Lane.
Sais-tu quoi, Phil? Je pense que US 30 va peut-être venir faire un petit fake-out avant.
Bon, ça spécule.
ouais.
Oh,
Hugo spéculation la break.
Comment tu vas,
Lundi, he messages me, goes, I'm calling it. Omicron is the worst virus ever. That was on point. Je suis comme, dude, it's speculating.
Ça, c'était drôle, hein, Chris? Je suis comme, big, ils vont call ce live, là.
Wow.
Sometimes I'm getting crazy. Hey,
Okay.
J'attends ton idée de GU, là.
GU, ouais, je viens de le checker. Nice, hein?
Oh, we're saying 1 like for 40, and after that, next step is 50 likes. 50! Let's get to 50 likes!
Let me get you a like right now.
Un petit break and retest en dessous de 1,32. Tu vois, il est parti. Il me demande c'est quoi, puis il s'en va.
Ce mec s'en calisse de toi.
Big, t'inquiète, je suis là.
Il est pas très stable, man. Pas très stable pour Saint-Cyr.
Non, mais le gars, tu vois qu'il est pas stable là, dans sa tête. Hein.
Non.
Ça, on va en parler pendant qu'il est pas là.
C'est fin, ça, les boys.
Joe, go. Okay, let me go see some comments here. Okay. Okay, so Joe, like instead of sending those things, send a chart. You know, because this doesn't help anyone. You know, but if you send a chart, it can help a lot of people. So if you want to be, you know, helping this community, the best way to do it is send a chart. Bob Layen dit ils sont beaux en plus, mais hein, les poppies sont beaux, hein? Beau bonhomme, beau bonhomme. Okay. So now I need to wait for something more solid on gold to give this a second attempt. But if you look here on the left, when we reject this H4 support, what happened after that is we went up, right? So are we going to do the same thing here? Maybe. So that's something I'm going to keep in mind. Oh, wait.
C'est sûr que
le chômage pas tant important.
Pas tout le chômage, c'est le welfare claim.
Oh non, ça changera rien.
check bien les grosses bouchées qui ont 200.
Ben là, honnêtement, j'ai jamais vraiment vu affecté ben gros par ça. Là, un peu, là, mais pas.
Le jobless claim?
Non, jobless claim, ben oui, c'est sûr.
Ben c'est ça.
C'est pas ça, là, aujourd'hui. C'est quoi?
Yes, c'est ça.
Ah, c'est ça! Ah! Chris, une chance, je l'ai checké. Tabarnak, je sais pas pourquoi j'ai checké à matin, il me semble qu'il n'y avait rien.
T'as-tu checké Forex Factory? C'est de la scam.
Ah, je sais. Je vais avoir les deux yeux dans le même trou. Je me suis couché tard hier.
Bloomberg, bro, Bloomberg.
Ouais, check le gars, c'est plein les poches avec son Bloomberg.
À 25 000 par année.
Ouais, c'est ça.
Sponsored by work.
Thank you.
Yeah, right now with this wick down here, with all this liquidity and we break the high now, I think price is just going to go retest this level. It's going to mirror this move on the left. So I'm going to wait for this H1 probably to close and see. Or 30-minute actually. We'll see what we do after the next one. Yep, so in 4 minutes. Well known which foot to dance. Can you say that in English? Because I know it's a French expression also. Thank you. We got 40 likes in. Thank you so much, guys. Next step is 50 likes.
Je trouve ça weird que tu peux pas mettre ta musique sur YouTube.
Bah, tu peux, c'est juste que tu te fais décoller ici.
Ouais, mais c'est justement, c'est calme.
Ça aurait pris de la petite musique de Noël.
Comme hier,
C'était malade.
juste des cœurs.
Marc, il a manqué le vibe de Noël. Là.
Ouais, complètement. J'étais pas là pour tout.
Le gars, il nous snob en tabarnak. Là.
Non.
Ben, en esti, hein.
Oh my god.
All
Ça
right.
annonce comment, Phil, la nouvelle? Good news?
Les plus.
Puis il a crissé son camp. Il a dit esti, man. Hugo me pose une question, je décolle.
Moi, je pense que c'est sa blonde qui est en arrière encore.
C'est clair.
On
Hein?
a fait brûler ses toasts, là.
T'es en train de se faire une petite vite, là, c'est le side. Là.
Oh.
Oh!
Une petite vite avant 8h30, il a besoin d'être pressé.
Ouais, est-ce qu'il reste juste 2 minutes?
Les gars sont malades.
Let's see here. Joe using signal group. Oh, okay. LOL, can we remove the cowboy hats? I don't have a cowboy hat. I have a cap.
Pas de cowboy hat aujourd'hui, là.
No, there's no cowboy hat today. No. It's this.
J'ai rendu sur le stream, le gars est dans le ciel de no cowboy hat.
Mais non, il n'y avait aucun cowboy hat là.
Il faut s'entuer à travers H4.
Il n'y avait aucun cowboy hat là. 0,5%. Il n'y a pas de cowboy hat.
Toi, t'étais 0.5, l'autre était full margin.
Ah, c'est ça.
Les petits suiveurs, là.
Le prochain va être full margin en tabarnak. G about to get rejected heavy at 185. Okay, let's go take a look at it.
Mm-hmm. Which is a golden zone.
Yeah, that's what I was expecting actually.
50 seconds.
45 seconds.
Mais GA, hein? GA, c'est sport extrême.
Tu vas pas me dire les chiffres en live en plus?
Yes, et mon Bloomberg choke pas, là.
C'est fiable en crise.
À 25 000, c'est mieux de bien fort.
Ouais, c'est ça.
Des fois,
À 25 000, si ça marche pas, ils vont se savoir en tabarnak. Hein.
Oh.
Puis,
Oh my God, even lower.
It's lower?
Good for Dow. Bad for gold.
Ah, you see? You see? Look at that gold seal. Ha!
T'es-tu dedans?
Non.
Est-ce qu'elle disait
Non, j'ai
60?
sorti parce que Hugo m'a dit que c'était pas bon.
Ouais, encore de ma faute.
Ok.
Les spreads doivent être.
Non, même pas, ça a pas bougé, man. Les spreads, j'étais à 2.5.
10-4, Roger.
Ouais, c'est ça. Ça, c'était drôle.
Oh, je peux pas.
Oh, pick-up en descendant, kilomètre 32.
Ça, c'est drôle. There's no top weight.
Short goal au break du coup.
C'est pas game.
Very good for that's very good after for risky active.
C'est pas game le short gold au break du lot.
You could though. You definitely could.
G pushing up, let's go.
GG pushing as well.
US 30 is
Yeah.
getting dirty.
What?
Yeah.
DJ est tellement dégueulasse ces derniers jours, man.
Ah non, je sais.
T'inquiète, j'ai pris 2 cartes dessus.
Ah, Phil.
Pensez.
Phil.
2 cartes comme un con.
Puis ton sugar gold.
Big news is tomorrow, man. 6.8% PI year over year.
Man,
So 4-3 goal là-dessus.
sur quoi?
Sur PI news tomorrow.
Ah, demain, ouais.
Tomorrow, sorry.
Ah ouais, tu fais des ouin.
Ouais, comme la toune.
Mm.
Je chante de l'instrumental.
C'est bien ça. Man, gold devrait melt. Là.
Ouais, ça dépend.
Comment ça dépend? C'est ça les nouvelles. Est-ce que c'est de la merde?
C'est de la façon que c'est interprété.
Ben oui, mais c'est ça. Tu vois bien que c'est de la merde.
C'est mal interprété.
Tu sais? Pourquoi ça serait interprété différemment? Chris, c'est une bonne nouvelle pour le USD. Fait que techniquement,
Ouais,
Chris.
mais check bien, une autre façon de le voir.
Ouais.
Le marché est risk-on avec le nouveau variant, tout. Mais les jobs vont bien. Fait que là, c'est comme beaucoup trop d'incertitudes. Fait que peut-être que c'est risk-on. That's it.
Ouais.
C'est poussé, là. Écoute, là, je suis pas un gars fondamental. Là.
Je comprends ce que tu dis. Là.
C'est pas nous qui décide si le gros joueur il dit moi je le vois de cette façon-là. Buy 10 000 lots sur Gold.
Ouais, c'est ça.
Je pense que ton 1 lot ou 2 lots.
Yeah.
Ah ouais, non, c'est ça. Il n'y a aucune chance.
Un lot.
On va essayer de se battre, là.
Même ton 50 lots, il...
Ah non, 50 lots, il va prendre le boss un petit temps. Il va pogner un 2 minutes en crise. Là.
2 minutes, d'après moi, tu vas pogner une carrière de compter.
Ah ouais, c'est...
T'as-tu vu trading in the zone? Il parle justement de ça, puis it's like this TA guy's like, this dog should like bounce from this support, and this guy's like, you sure about that? And he's like, yeah.
Ouais.
And he's like, all right, and then he calls his brokers like, sell 30,000 contracts right now, and it breaks through support. And he's like, don't ever think certain things are gonna happen because it takes one person to change everything.
Yeah, exactly. One big player, and this is going to drain.
I love this. So
Surtout sur les stocks, c'est que ça te prend un gars de l'autre bord. Fait que si un gros joueur met ses sells, puis là, techniquement, il monte un buy, il y a plein de monde qui rentre en buy, mais le gros joueur, il a plus de chances de...
Yeah, I'm reading this book. No promotion, nothing. I'm reading this book called Hopper's Game. It's about Bill Ackman and talks about him in the 2008 crisis when they were like buying default swaps and everything. And kind of like Hugo just said, he was saying that at one point they bought something and he was like, we were lucky that someone was picking the other side of that trade because everything was so bad that you're lucky to even get in or get out because you need someone to...
Ouais, de faire le contraire. Vieux matin, man.
Fuck, ouais.
DJ is between two zones.
DJ est beau live, là.
Ils sont occupés.
Sasha, you got a message in the chat yet?
Ah, il répond pas à ses affaires, là.
Oh, Sasha thought on GJ H1 closing bullish.
It's not closed yet.
Well, if it closed bullish, I mean, that's all good. I'm waiting for next one to close bearish.
Oh, you want to short it?
Yeah.
La prochaine va mesurer comme 49 pips. Fait qu'on aura plus de place pour rien faire.
Honnêtement, là, c'est bon, c'est intéressant.
J Bright Nice, par exemple.
Ouais.
Je pense que ce serait mon setup préféré de la matinée.
Ou tu peux attendre. Tu peux attendre pendant 2 jours qu'il remonte là.
Non. Mais si j'ai une résistance en H1, là, ça serait pas mal. Pas mal le seul setup intéressant de la matinée.
Ouais. Ouais, c'est pas mal le plus nice. Là. Ben, Marie GG, si.
Ouais, mais il n'y aura pas d'espace.
Ah, il n'y a pas une grosse espace, ça va faire.
T'sais, on a comme 25 pips pour se rendre au prochain support. Puis là-dedans, il faut compter la grosseur du price action.
Ouais. Ouais, c'est vrai ce que tu dis. Oups. Dun, 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 dun.
Bon, c'est pas mal ça pour moi, les boys. 8h40, on sait ce qu'on attend.
C'est que le gars, il.
Bon, ça repart demain. Hey, c'était une petite visite express, là.
Visite de merde, hein.
Une petite quickie, hein?
Ouais. Ben là, quand Hugo, il commençait à s'inquiéter, je me dis, je vais aller dire salut.
Visite de
On s'en
merde.
reparle demain, les boys.
Ciao, bro.
Ciao, ciao.
Take care, maman.
Take care, man. Ciao, man.
Boring.
Yep, boring. And I don't have any more pre-market fuel, so I feel so tired.
This guy.
Oh, you ordered 9 boxes, right?
The what?
You ordered 9 boxes, right?
I ordered 4.
Oh,
Yeah, I ordered 4. Should get it soon. Man, talking about packaging, I got a package. I was so excited from a company called Carbon Paintball. I ordered some elbow protective and a slide. They call that a slider short. So anyway, it was Black Friday, so it was a discount. So anyways, the order is like, let's say 145, right? So 145, and come back home, I got a UPS note on my door. So I'm like, all right, cool. So I got my package and I look at the bill. There's a bill of $91 for customs. I'm like, what? It's like, how the fuck is that possible? Like 145 and $91 of customs. Like, there's no fucking way. So anyway, I contacted the company. I'm just waiting for an answer, but yeah, that's a little crazy.
Dude, I bought my girlfriend Valentino shoes last year.
A what?
I don't know.
I bought my girlfriend Valentino shoes,
Okay.
and they were from this website that basically they recycle in good condition used shoes. So the shoes were about like $800 to $1 million, like super expensive. And I get a phone call from DHL and they're like, "Oh, you have to pay customs $300."
What?
Yeah, man. Because they were coming from California.
That's crazy.
Such BS, my guy. Such BS. So it cost me $1,100 for a pair of shoes.
You're fucking retarded.
Yeah.
You're fucking crazy, dude.
Dude, I would never pay a pair of shoe that price. Top tier shit. Top tier shit, but man, this is some dumb fucking shit right there.
Top tier shit.
Dude. It was a Christmas gift. It was nice.
Dude, there are shoes.
yeah, Sasha, but
She's gonna walk into dog shit with it.
Dude, didn't you get a watch for 60 grand? When you were
Yes, but a watch is different.
Let's not talk about 20 people, guys.
But a watch is different. A watch is a jewelry. It's, it takes it. Actually, watch don't lose a lot of value. Shoes, shoes. If you wear it and you walk into dog shit, dude, you're.
Yeah.
I mean,
I was okay giving her that for Christmas.
and the problem is shoes. They are cute now, but next year they're outdated. A watch, you can have it forever. Anyways, yeah, there's some, but that's cute because it's stuff that I did too in the past. When I was starting to make some very 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 good money, dude. I was buying custom suits like $6,000-7,000.
Oh, mais ça, c'est sick.
I was buying all kind of stupid shit, and I was like, and when I look back at it, I was like, this was so fucking dumb, Um, and if the watch gets scratched while wearing it, not really, because at that price they got an anti-scratch glass on it. So trust me, when you pair watch that price, it's not scratching.
It's not scratchable. It doesn't scratch easily.
No. Man, nothing's happening. This is so fucking boring.
Buy US 30, Sash.
Yeah. Not Valencian baby. Oh, I thought you were saying. Okay. Ta, ta, ta. All right, we go. Talk to us about US 30.
Okay. Let me get my charts. So, what I would expect on the higher time frame.
Daily?
Okay, daily. That's good. First of all, here last time we were at that point around here, we massively dropped. That was because of the fear of the virus. And this is like the pullback because finally the fear wasn't really there. So this is like a consolidation, and this is a big fake out with a lot of volume. So what I would expect right now is to calm down, maybe starting to consolidate around here. So that's what I'm looking at on the higher time frame. Ça, tu peux descendre en peut-être. C'est parce que, tu sais, je le scroll plus, là, ça. Oh, 30 minutes. 30 minutes, actually, I just got in a buy. I got a little scalp over here, maybe to come quick fill around here. With the news that was positive for the US. And that's it I can expect for today.
All right.
35,800 can be something I was looking at around like here to take a short maybe if the right price action appears. That's pretty much my plan for today, to be honest. I think it's going to be a calm day, and I think Miller too thinks that. So, going really relaxed today.
All right.
If somebody have any question, don't hesitate. It will be my pleasure.
And you guys are rolling. I just saw more pieces.
Oh my gosh, what a boring session. Yeah, to be honest, I don't see anything happening in the next 30 minutes or so. Like on the next candle, so let's say on gold, all right? So 4 hours, let's say 4 hour close here. If I take anything, it's gonna be probably the break of the low of the H4. But, GA, H4, it's about to close there. I want to see a rejection here, or if we do close above 85,000 though, we might see a nice little move up.
GG might be like GG might close bearish and then you'll be able to sell it.
Yeah. But yeah, right now, I mean, I feel like I'm gonna go, man.
Yeah.
There's not much.
No.
C'est quoi to be mild, Phil?
Mild is genre medium. Genre pas sévère, genre medium, genre low.
Ok. Thanks.
Moi, mild, je vois ça comme les sauces piquantes, tu sais. Mild, c'est parfait pour moi parce que j'aime pas ça piquant, tu sais.
Comme moyen.
Ok. Ouais, c'est une bonne façon de le voir.
Yeah.
Bon, je pense que on va faire du ski.
Ouais.
Ça va faire du ski pour de vrai.
Tiens-tu? Hein?
Ouais, moi pas, là. C'est sûr que je suis down, là.
On y va?
T'es sérieux ou tu niaises, là?
On le va-tu?
Euh,
On le fait?
allez où?
On la Saint-Saul.
Fuck that. Fuck off à la Saint-Saul.
Arrête, là, fais pas de difficile, là.
On va attendre, là.
T'es-tu malade? C'est bien trop loin, bro.
Ben non, c'est 15 minutes de plus que.
Ben, t'es-tu pas bien, toi? Tu sais, c'est 1 heure de plus facile, là.
Ben non. C'est genre 1h15 qu'on se rend. Non, mais toi t'es.
Je t'ai réparti.
T'es Repentigny, ça, le dire. Ok, fait que t'es genre à 30 minutes de Saint-Saul.
Ouais, exact.
Ouais, ça le fait.
Ben, tu sais, c'est pour ça que je vais prendre ma passe là, oublie ça. Là.
Honnêtement, j'avoue que.
Tu sais, c'est parce qu'il y a trop de fois, tu sais, mettons que je vais aller voir des clients, puis tu sais, je vais juste faire un après-midi, puis tu sais, ça va être parfait, là, mais tremblant, man, c'est parce qu'il faut que je m'organise ma journée, là, tu sais, c'est...
Non, c'est sûr, tremblant, c'est le fun, t'es là toute la journée.
Non, c'est ça.
Matin, tu skis toute la journée.
Tu sais, c'est correct, je vais en faire des journées pleines comme ça, mais c'est parce que je me dis, une passe à Saint-Saul, je vais bien plus en profiter qu'à Tremblant. Là. À Tremblant, j'en profiterai pas. Là. Je vais la payer, puis je vais pas la rentabiliser. Là,
True. Makes sense.
Puis honnêtement, c'est plus facile d'organiser avec quelqu'un. Hey man, on va-tu à Saint-Saul vite fait un après-midi ou une soirée, tu sais, c'est comme. Ça se fait bien, là, tu sais.
Le gars, il veut me convaincre de prendre ma passe. Là.
C'est clair, là.
Non, mais honnêtement, je prends pas ma passe à Saint-Saul. Je peux même pas y aller une fois cette année.
Check les sauvages.
Je suis pas un gars de Saint-Saul.
Pourquoi donc?
C'est de la merde.
Ben pourquoi?
C'est une pute.
Ben, c'est une butte. Je veux bien craire, là, mais tu sais. On va dire, en dehors de Tremblant, c'est toutes des buttes, là, tu sais.
Ouais, ben le massif.
Ouais.
C'est juste un peu plus loin.
C'est ça. Non, mais tu sais, tant qu'à ça, honnêtement, tant qu'à aller, tu sais, regarde, ça. Sorry, guys, we're talking about ski. So, I do apologize, guys, we're talking about ski, but, you know, like, look at this. So, Mont-Tremblant.
Bon, moi, je vais pas travailler. Je vais avoir des affaires sur le côté, là, mais c'est pas mal ça comme session.
Tu sais, c'est 2h06. OK? C'est 2h06. Ciao, man.
Ciao.
Puis si tu vas à Sto,
Ça, c'est malade en plus. Là. C'est une folle montagne.
tu sais, tu me donnes le choix entre aller à Tremblant ou à Sto pour le même temps. Fuck you, Tremblant, c'est une butte, man.
Attends. Je comprends pas comment.
Tu sais?
Que ça peut te
Tu comprends-tu? C'est là l'affaire, tu comprends? C'est là où moi, j'embarque pas. Je vais pas aller me faire enculer par Mont-Tremblant à des prix qui font aucun sens, tu comprends? Quand je peux aller à une vraie montagne pour le même temps.
toi, ça peut dire 2h09, comme moi, ça me dit 1h19.
Je sais bien pas.
Remonte-moi dans ta map, là, je suis curieux.
Ah, je l'ai effacé. Ah, c'est mon ancienne adresse. C'est à Saint-Basile. Mais c'est pas grave. C'est pas grave. Tu sais, mettons que tu pars de là, c'est le même temps.
T'es vite, c'était où le live? T'es genre là? C'est même quand moi, 1h20. Gros max.
Tu sais, mettons que tu prends un Repentigny. C'est 1h30. OK? Le plus vite, c'est 1h30. On est d'accord?
Ouais. Ok, 1h30, ça fait du sens.
Ça va être quoi, 2 heures? Ah, 3 heures. OK, c'est le double. OK, ouais, là, OK. Mais dude,
Il faut aussi, genre, faut que tu aies un chalet. Si tu restes plus qu'une journée, ça vaut plus la peine.
oh, ouais, c'est ça.
Moi,
Mais
j'ai ma passe
Sto,
ici,
là.
Mais Sto, c'est malade. J'ai été une couple de fois, là, c'est pas comparable. C'est pas la même montagne pantoute.
Ah non, ça c'est une vraie fucking montagne.
Ouais. 100%.
All right, so now let's take a last look at what's going on. It's 9, and we're just about to close the stream. Just gonna watch the close here, see what's going on. So H1's about to close bullish here on GA. 4 hours about to close bullish here, but we're still under 85,000. Okay. Let's take a look at GJ. GJ 1 hour is about to close bearish. 4 hours about to close bearish. Sorry. 1 hour is bullish, rejecting this area here. Okay. And what about gold? H4. Gold H4 is closing bearish. And H1 is about to close doji. So, all right. So nothing exciting, nothing in the sight of anything right now. So it's all right, guys. I'm gonna call it a day. Thank you very much for being here. Tomorrow night, I was supposed to have Forex talk over beer, but my wifey got me a birthday gift, and we're going to watch a comedy show. So it's gonna be pretty amazing. So tomorrow night there's no Forex talk over beer. All right, guys. So thank you very much for watching. And if you have any question, feel free to reach me on Instagram. It'll be my pleasure to help you out. Don't forget to share that stream to anyone. We're coming back next week. Actually, next week I'm gonna keep you posted on Instagram because I might be in a little mess here. I got some painting guys coming to paint the office, painting the living room, all kind of rooms here. So it's gonna be I'm gonna have to disconnect all my screen. So I don't know if I'm gonna be able to trade next week. So I'll keep you posted on Instagram, guys. So if you don't follow me on Instagram, do it so you'll know if we go live or not. And that's about it. All right, guys. So thank you very much for watching, and I'll see you next week.